Hi everybody, welcome to another STEM video, and STEM is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And today we're outside. We have some beautiful weather here in Colorado today, so I thought that we would try and get outside and do a little bit of prep for a garden that I want to build. So it's right here, I'll show you. It's this little patch of ground right here, right next to the porch. And right now you can see it is full of rocks and junk and stuff, right, Badger? It's not looking very ready. So what we're gonna do today is dig out the rocks, dig out all the junk, and then hopefully get it prepped. I'd like to build a little herb garden, and I thought you all might want to come along. So let's get started. All right, we've got our first bucket of rocks that we need to go dump, and then there's a lot left. But let's go dump this one first. Walk into the dump pile. There is Badger. Walk into the dump pile with my bucket of rocks. Empty bucket, and here we go again. Alright, y'all, we're up to our second bucket of rocks. So back to the dump pile. Going to the dump pile for the second time. There's Badger. Second dump. If anybody needs extra rocks, Badger and I have a bunch. Well, we're up to our third bucket of rocks, right, Badger? And I keep thinking that eventually we're gonna run out of rocks, but if you keep digging down, it's like, I don't know, it's like magic. I think we'll run out of lava rock, but it hasn't happened yet, so back to the dump pile. Going to the dump pile with bucket 3. All right. Well, friends, we are up to bucket number 4. There's Badger chewing on a stick, being very helpful. Bucket number 4. There's no end in sight. I just keep digging up rocks, trying to question my own sanity here. Why are there so many rocks? Like, truly, I have to wonder if like aliens put them there. Or geologists. Going to the dump pile. Badger's coming along. Bucket number 4. All right, back to the dump pile with number 5. All right, number 5. Number 6. I figured it was time to take a Badger break, and so here's Badger playing with a rock. We made it to number 7, and to the dump pile we go. Badger's down there somewhere doing something. Look at the size of that pile. For those of you counting at home, we've made it to bucket number 8. It was a lot of work, but I think we got all the rocks out of there. For all of you counting at home, 9 buckets of rocks. So we are going to go to the dump pile one more time. Go into the rock pile for the last time. Well, that was exhausting. And I think I got a sunburn, but I think we did it. Take a look. We have got a good start on this garden, this learning by doing garden, because I learned a lot. Got a sunburn, got some blisters, but yeah, day 1 complete. Welcome to Learning by Doing Garden Day 2. Today we have plants. I have 2 lavender here. And I have this guy, which is called a lupine staircase. So I'm gonna put 3 little things in there, the 2 lavender and the little lupine, and we'll see how they do. But first we need to add a layer of compost and mix it in with the native topsoil that's in there. So let's start digging. All right, we've got the topsoil mixed in with the compost soil. So it is about half and half. It is now time to plant. Although, before I plant these, I am going to tidy this up. These are some that they probably had last year and then just allowed to reseed again. So I'm going to just tidy this up a little bit more before I put them in the garden. All right, there they are. 2 lavenders and whatever this guy was called. I can't quite remember what this guy was called. Oh, there he is. A lupine. So we're gonna give these guys a nice water and we'll see how they go.